Egyptian cuisine: Ful Medames, black beans with spicy sauce; Koshari, mixed rice; Hawawshi, meat-filled bread; amali, cake covered with milk. Egyptian cuisine is a rich and flavorful blend of Middle Eastern, African, and Mediterranean flavors and ingredients. Here are 4 dishes that represent some of the best of Egyptian cuisine. Ful Medames. Ful Medames is a popular dish in Egypt that consists of cooked fava beans that are mashed and mixed with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and cumin. The dish is often served with a side of vey. Koshari. Koshari is a hearty and filling dish that is made from a mix of rice, lentils, and pasta, topped with spicy tomato sauce, and garnished with crispy fried onions. The dish is often served with Hawawshi. Hawawshi is a type of Egyptian sandwich that is made from pita bread that is stuffed with a mixture of ground beef or lamb, onions, and spices. The sandwich is often grilled until crispy and amali. Amali is a sweet and creamy dessert that is made from layers of phyllo pastry, milk, cream, nuts, and raisins. The dish is often topped with a layer of whipped cream or powdered sugar, and these 4 dishes are just a small sample of the diverse and delicious cuisine that Egypt has to offer. From beans to rice to pastry, Egyptian cuisine offers a wide range of flavorful dishes. If you have the chance to try Egyptian food, be sure to explore and try as many dishes as possible to fully appreciate the rich and delicious flavors of this cuisine. Certainly. Here are some more dishes that are popular in Egyptian cuisine. Malakia. Malakia is a dish made from leaves of the jute plant that are chopped and cooked with garlic, coriander, and chicken or beef broth. The resulting mixture is thick and slimy, and is usually Fatah. Fatah is a traditional Egyptian dish that is often served during special occasions such as weddings or religious holidays. It is made from layers of pita bread, rice, and meat that are soaked. Tamia. Tamia, also known as falafel, is a popular vegetarian dish in Egypt that is made from ground fava beans or chickpeas that are mixed with spices and fried into small balls. The tamia ba. Basbousa. Basbousa is a sweet and syrupy dessert that is made from semolina flour, sugar, and yogurt that is baked and soaked in a sweet syrup made from sugar, water, and lemon juice. The dessert is Overall, Egyptian cuisine is a delicious and diverse blend of flavors and ingredients that reflect the country's rich history and cultural influences. From hearty stews to crispy falafel and Sure, here are some additional dishes and drinks that are popular in Egyptian cuisine. Kofta. Kofta is a type of grilled meatball that is made from ground beef or lamb that is mixed with spices such as cumin, coriander, and mint. The meatballs are often served on skewers and are akko. Shakshuka. Shakshuka is a dish that is popular throughout the Middle East and North Africa, including Egypt. It is made from eggs that are poached in a tomato-based sauce that is flavored with onions.